Hello everyone, my name is Tomo from the FAIR Inc. Today I would like to teach you some of the basic Japanese phrase for working in Japan. These phrases are commonly used at work in Japan, and hopefully this video can help you in your workplace. Let's get started.
フェアチャンネル
So first phrase is おはようございます or こんばんは. Greeting in Japan is very important. In the morning, must say good morning, and if you are working in night shift, you will say good afternoon. Some of them you might know about こんにちは. This means hello. It can be used in the noon or in the afternoon. The next one is よろしくお願いします. This is actually very difficult to translate, but it shows some respect on the work field. There are several meanings of よろしくお願いします. It means nice to meet you or the best regards. Make sure you're mentioning よろしくお願いします before work start, and you can combine with the greeting sentences. For example, おはようございます。よろしくお願いいたします。or こんばんは。よろしくお願いします。This phrase is commonly used for greeting, and this shows the respect in the workplace and also towards the coworkers. Next one. すいません. This すいません means excuse me or sorry. This word actually is very commonly used. Japanese workers or usually people say すいません excuse me or sorry. For example, すいませんこれどうすればいいですか? This means excuse me, what do I do with this? If you don't know something and you want to start with the next step, you ask your manager or coworker, すいませんこれどうすればいいですか? It's like, what do I do with this? What's the next step? The next phrase is お疲れ様です or お疲れ様でした. This is actually same meaning, but it's just a past tense and present tense. This is very common phrase also. When you finish your work and going to home, greeting to everyone, you should say お疲れ様です お疲れ様でした. This actually meaning of well done or good job, and also means thank you. In working in Japan, the greeting is very important. So whenever when you start the working, you have to say good morning, おはようございます, good afternoon, こんばんは, and just something greeting for like let's do this or nice meeting you, it's よろしくお願いします. And after you finishing the work, you have to say お疲れ様です お疲れ様でした. It means well done everyone, good job, or let's go home. Something like that. So this is just a part of the important phrase of working in Japan. There are thousands of Japanese phrases you can use in your workplace. I will update useful Japanese phrases every month for the workplace, and hopefully everyone can learn some of them and use at your work. Please do subscribe our channel. We have more information about working or studying in Japan. We have a lot of funny videos as well. Hopefully you will like it. So we'll see you next video. Bye.